Ay, oo nga.
Kaway po po the camera, please. That's the cars. Thank you.
Alright, thank you ladies and good luck for today.
Masento si Ago it's kayon amin, or should I say good day everyone. I am Andrea Robanzo Cayabyab, representing Pangasinan.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm Ranshua Marie Manalastas Marinitan, representing the culinary capital of the Philippines, Pampanga.
Hi, hello, I hope everybody's okay. My name is Rochelle Hoko. I am 23, I am representing Oriental Mindoro.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ako si Chanel Olive. I am from Nueva Ecija, representing the Filipino Society of Melbourne.
Maayong adlaw kaninyo tanan. My name is Frances Ana Kibla, ang Ilongga from Negros Occidental.
Hello everyone, I am Kay Pastelero, representing the home of the Pawikats, Nait Cavite.
I would choose the letter B, which means bold.
I will choose the letter O. Filipino woman is outstanding.
I would probably choose I, intelligent.
I'm gonna be a bit makaled and use N, but I'm gonna say never give up.
I would choose B. That would be beautiful.
I would choose N for nurturers.
Sobrang Filipina is the way we value resilience. Because no matter how many challenges we are facing, we still try to stand up for what we believe in. And that alone makes us very empowered. And sobrang Filipina from Bingo Plus.